Hello, I'm Colin Hollyoake. I was an engineer most of my working life, and when I started I was taught about how to correct a 3-jaw chuck which had gone bell-mouthed. Since then other people have found a few other ways of doing it, but I think I've really cracked it about 40 years ago, and I've been using the method ever since, and it really is good, and I hope that I'll be able to share it with you. This is the setup. This is the chuck with the plate that I've made already located on it. This is the boring tool, but with a diamond impregnated piece of metal on it. We have this, which just stops the bed from getting any of the dust on it, the abrasive dust. We have a stop here so that we do not run into the chuck or into the plate. And that's basically the setup. And now I'll do a demonstration. Move over and make sure that it's not hitting the jaws before we start up. A safety factor. Start up and move in. That is actually just touching at the moment. I'll back off now half a thou. Now this should prove that it is true all the way through. Now that proves that it's very true. You'll see that the jaws are totally cleaned up. But I would like now to show you that the bell mouth has completely gone. What I'll do is I'll just bring the jaws up till they just touch the piece, and you'll see I can't even rock it, not a thou, which proves that it really has worked well. Well, I've put a test piece in now to see what the chuck is running like, see what its inherent problems are. I'd call that pretty good for an old chuck. And now I'd like to show you how the idea developed. In the 70s we had a lathe which was badly out, and I thought that if I made a ring like this with 3 exactly cut out pieces to take the jaws, that would hold them at the front and they would be better. So I made a ring, a solid ring, but with 3 stations to take the jaws. I tried it but was very disappointed with the result. But the reason was because the jaws themselves, 2 of them engaged beautifully, but the 3rd didn't engage so tightly and barely at all, and that was the problem. So by cutting the ring in 3 and allowing it to pivot on a back plate, on trying it again, and the result from that was very, very good. That was 40 years ago. This is up to date. I've had 5-inch, 4-inch and 3-inch chuck sizes made, and I'm very pleased with them. And if you would like any more information regarding them, please contact me at the address below.